So far, we've learned how to edit clips, add effects, and even animate with keyframes. But here asks the question, how do you move from one clip to another without it looking rough? The answer, transitions. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add transitions in CapCut to make your videos smooth, stylish, and easy to watch. Before we get started, remember to like, subscribe, and share so you never miss a new tutorial. CapCut Transitions Made Simple main tutorial. Step 1. What are transitions? A transition is an effect that makes the change between two clips smooth and professional instead of a hard cut. You can fade, slide, spin, or zoom between clips. Transition equals smooth change between clips. Step 2. Adding a basic transition. To add a transition, place two clips on your timeline, tap the transition icon between them, and choose the style you like. Tap Add Transition. Step 3A Types of Transitions. CapCut has lots of transitions to choose from. Basic, fade in, fade out, dissolve, camera, zoom, spin, shake, masking, wipes, and slides. Stylish, glitch, light flash, 3D. Let's take a look at each one with an example. Transition example, Step 4, Adjusting Duration. You can adjust the duration of transitions. A longer fade feels cinematic while a quick flash adds energy. Duration equals mood. Step 5, Using transitions wisely. Here's a pro tip. Don't use too many transitions. It can distract viewers. Instead, pick transitions that match the mood of your video. Less is more. Step 6, Creative Uses. Use transitions creatively. A zoom transition for travel vlogs. A glitch transition for gaming clips. A simple fade for professional tutorials. The right transition adds style without stealing attention. Step 7, A quick recap. Place two clips together, add a transition between them, adjust duration. Use wisely to match the video's mood. And that's how you make your edits flow smoothly. Closing and motivation. And that's how to use transitions in CapCut. They may look small, but transitions are what make your video feel professional and enjoyable to watch. In the next episode, we lines dive into using filters and color adjustment, the secret to giving your videos the perfect look and mood. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share. And let me know in the comments. Do you prefer smooth, simple transitions or fun, flashy ones? Comment, smooth or flashy?